Engineering skills is an applied subject which focuses on the industry practices and production processes required to create, maintain and repair predominantly metal products in the engineering manufacturing industry. You will understand industry practices, interpret specifications and technical information and drawings, demonstrate and apply safe practical skills with hand tools, power tools and machinery, communicate using written and graphical modes, organise, calculate and plan production processes and evaluate the products you create. Each term you'll complete one assessment piece, and over the year this includes 2 projects that incorporate practical and written tasks and 2 practical demonstrations. A course's study in engineering can establish a basis for further education and employment in engineering trades. Pathways include sheet metal worker, metal fabricator, welder, maintenance fitter, metal machinist, locksmith, air conditioning mechanic, refrigeration mechanic or automotive mechanic.